So we had a major renovation, about $10 million. We had new lighting, new floors, new HVAC, a new security vestibule. So now we have controlled access for parents and visitors to get into the building. And so we have a nice safe space for all of our students to learn.
Every student deserves to walk into a school building they are proud of and happy to call my school.
For me, it means joy, happiness, love, and I feel like that's what a school building should be like.